Hi, it's your girl, Lil Twin. I ain't on no Nicki Minaj stuff. I'm straight up gangster with mine. I mean, I do what I do. If you don't like it, then you don't. If you do, then I'm with you on that one. I got five on it. Go against me, I'm hardcore, you don't want it. I rep all day, non-stop, and I be on it. Chicken tray 4, yeah, I'm an 8-ounce soldier. I check my lip when the nigga front on that doja. I stay on the north where we blow that dodo. Straight focus to hood, but it's not the ghetto. Northwest side got the best church's chicken, but the south side got them on that good old Frenchies. Some people out there don't know who I be. My name is Lil Girl, and I bring back the heat. I stay on Lil York and you cross victory. I'ma just to keep it real, rip the 713. When I read the mic, all I do is have fun. At its strength maximum, but not pandemonium. Flip the script, no homie, rush my rhyme drip. Get out of hand, then I'm gonna check my lip rip. On this beat, I had to wreck. This for my big head, so shout out to Dipset. Shout out to Retard, cause I fucks with them niggas. Shout out to ATM, cause I went with that nigga. But he ain't get the panties, my clothes ain't come off. Respect for myself when he came to my house. He chilled with my mama, I chilled with this crew. We became smoking buddies after Oregon we blew. Next subject, I got dubs. Attitude real rude and I keep a mean mug. I stay on chill mode and I don't fuss with clubs. I roll with the niggas, hoes got me fucked up. On the real, I'm too real on the deal. I'm a beat eater and I speak how I feel. Keep it 100, what's real in the field. I fuss with that red cup, blue gives me chill. Some say I'm conceited, they say I'm stuck up. You came with my ass, so shut the fuck up. So now I'm about to go. Shout out to my crew. If I done shot you out, then that means fuck you, bitches.